I love a good smoothie, and with Ninja's Professional Plus Blender family, I can make my favorite mixed fruit smoothie in a few different ways. I can use the total crushing pitcher with stacked blade assembly, or I can use the 24-ounce single-serve cups if I'm looking for an on-the-go experience. Whether I'm heading out to the gym or going out for a walk with my family on a nice day, it's so nice to have the option to blender directly in a to-go cup, which is a huge time saver for me. So today I'm going to show you how to make an Island Sunrise Smoothie out of the Quick Start Guide that comes with every Ninja Professional blender. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to start with some pineapple, mango, strawberries, banana, and some coconut water. To my 24-ounce single-serve cups, I'm going to add 2 cups of coconut water. I'm going to add my pineapple, mango, 1 cup of frozen strawberries, and a small banana. Once all the ingredients are added, screw on the Pro Extractor blades assembly clockwise until you have a tight seal. Then flip the cup upside down to lower it onto the base. Once it's on the base, turn it counterclockwise and then wait for the click. Once the single-serve cup is locked onto the base, press the power button to turn the unit on. The compatible program buttons will illuminate. Select the Smoothie Auto IQ button to begin blending. When the blending is complete, turn the cup counterclockwise to lift and remove. Turn the blade assembly counterclockwise to remove. Place the spout lid on top of the cup and turn it clockwise to lock it in place. And voila, a quick and easy smoothie to go. Looking for more smoothie inspiration or just have questions? Visit ninjakitchen.com to find everything you're looking for.